Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this USB-C to 3.5 millimeter audio jack. So this is the official new cable from Apple. It's 1.2 meter. It's for my AirPod Maxes to plug in for lossless audio. So it's cool. The second gen AirPod Maxes had a surprise audio firmware update. So lossless audio. This is the cable that enables that. So let's check it out. Let's see, this is just paperwork. Yep, just paperwork. What you're really looking for. Wow. This is USB-C on the right side, 3.5 millimeter audio on the left. Really nice texture, nice braided cable. Will be awesome to try out for the lossless audio. I have the black AirPod Maxes, so I wish this came in black as well, but it's all good. White looks good too. So yeah, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can buy this from, and let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.